This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying file formats and the size you need. This saves wasted conversions. Once done, open the compressor and import the videos you will process. Make sure to set the target resolution and a target bitrate early, because those choices determine quality versus file size. You'll see previews, scrub them to confirm correct clips. Next, pick a compression preset close to your goal so fewer manual tweaks are needed. Now you tweak the core settings. Choose H, 264 for compatibility, or H, 265 for smaller files when supported. Once chosen, set bitrate or quality. Lower bitrate reduces size but may introduce artifacts, so preview. If the app offers 2-pass encoding, enable it for better distribution of bits. Also downscale resolution or reduce frame rate only if acceptable. After adjustment. Finally, export the compressed file using your preset and watch the progress indicator. Once complete, play the exported file in a player to confirm audio sync, resolution, and that compression artifacts are acceptable. If you need multiple outputs, batch export with consistent settings. If things go wrong, blurry image, stutter, or audio drift, reopen settings, increase bitrate or use a different codec, enable 2-pass, or keep original frame rate, then re-export a short test to validate the fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.